Hi there! Let's set up RustDesk on your tablet so you can work with Slimrate support. First, unlock your tablet with your password. Swipe up and open the App menu. Find the App Market, tap App Market, and download RustDesk. When it's installed, open RustDesk. If it's your first time, you'll see the main screen. In the bottom right, tap Settings. Scroll down to Enhancements. Turn on Keep RustDesk Background Service. When you see the pop-up, tap Allow. Turn on the next switch just below it. This will take you to Display over other apps. Find RustDesk in the list, tap it, and turn on the only switch there. Now tap the back arrow twice to get back to the app. Next, tap Share Screen, it's left of the Settings button. Tap Enable Service. A warning will pop up. Remember, never share your RustDesk login or password with anyone except Slimrate support. This is really important. Select Don't Allow again and wait for the 10-second countdown. When the Agree button shows up, tap it. Then tap OK in the next pop-up. Great! RustDesk is running. Now turn on all the switches on this page so they turn blue. Next is Input Control. Turn it on and tap Open System Settings in the pop-up. Find RustDesk in the list, turn on Use RustDesk Input, and tap Allow. Tap the back arrow twice to go back. Now, turn on Transfer File. Give access by turning on Allow access to manage all files. Tap the back arrow once. Finally, turn on Audio Capture. When prompted, select While using the app. That's it! RustDesk is all set up and ready to use. When you're done, send your RustDesk login and password to the Slimrate support team. That way, we can help you anytime you need. Thanks for watching and have a great day!